So here we're given a sum of the first 7 terms being equal to 254. We're also told that the common ratio r is 2, and we're asked to find the first term, t1. Now recall that t1 is the a value. And this is important because in our solution we're going to start with the geometric series formula. That is, Sn equals a times r to the n minus 1. And this is all over r minus 1. We'll substitute the things that we know. Now because we're given S7, we can determine from this that n is equal to 7 when these conditions are true. And so we can replace S7 with 254. We don't know a, that's the thing we're looking for, so we'll leave it alone. We do know r though, r is 2, so this will be 2 to the power 7 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. Now our denominator here is going to simplify, and so it'll just be 2 minus 1, which is 1. So we can just write this as 254 equals a times 2 to the power 7 minus 1. Now we need to know what a is, so we'll divide both sides by 2 to the power 7 minus 1. That will allow those to cancel. And what I do to one side, I must make sure that I do to the other as well. So I'll be left with a is equal to whatever 254 divided by 2 to the power 7 minus 1 is. Now 2 to the power 7 is 128. So we're taking 254 and dividing it by 128 minus 1, or 127. Fortunately, this division works out nice and neatly, as 254 divided by 127 is equal to 2. And so we've determined that t1, the first term, is 2. Now, we could have made this question more complicated by having a value here that was not 1, in which case we would have to multiply both sides by whatever the denominator simplified to, so that it would cancel out. Now multiplying by 1 is trivial, but sometimes we'll have something that does not multiply by 1. Furthermore, this could have been more complicated by having a decimal value or a non-reducible fraction for our value of a. In this case, we just had nice neat numbers that worked out.